Do I really have to deep condition my hair? What exactly is deep conditioning? Can I deep condition with my normal conditioner, or do I have to get a fancy deep conditioner? What's the difference between a deep conditioner and a hair mask? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about deep conditioning. So I'm going to be sharing exactly what deep conditioning is, how you do it, why you should do it, and the results from doing it. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, so we have to start off with what exactly deep conditioning is. Well, deep conditioning is the process of treating your hair with a conditioner, whether it be moisturizing or protein-based. So that is exactly what deep conditioning is. Now, let's move on to why we have to deep condition. Okay, so the reason why you have to deep condition is because everyone's hair, whether curly, straight, wavy, everyone's hair needs moisture because especially like on the ends, they're dry. Our hair is dead. All of this is dead. It's not alive. The live hair actually grows inside your scalp. So when something is dead, like a plant, you have to revive it. How do you revive it? By adding the nutrients that the plant needs. So think of your hair as a plant. So we have to do the exact same thing. So in order to revive our hair, what we do is we get either a protein-based or moisture-based conditioner, just depending on what your hair needs. So how we deep condition is very simple. You can either deep condition by just going in with your everyday conditioner and literally putting it on your hair and running your hands through it kind of like this. Now you don't want to just apply your conditioner and leave it because that's not going to do anything. Your hair is in the same system as your skin. So when you put your moisturizer on for your skin, do you just leave it there and think, ooh, my skin's good? No. You have to literally moisturize your skin so that it penetrates deep into the layers. So you have to do the same thing with your hair. You have to sit there and rub your hands through your hair. That's one way that you can deep condition. You can do that in the shower for literally 5 minutes, 2 minutes. It does the same thing. What most people confuse deep conditioning for is they confuse it for putting a treatment on your hair. So putting a treatment on your hair is when you can actually leave the product in your hair and it still penetrates through the hair shaft. So an example of how you can do this is, I'll show you my favorite. You'll go in with your deep conditioner, you'll put it on your head, you'll leave it there and let it sink in. Okay, so now let's talk about how exactly do we deep condition our hair using a treatment. So to deep condition your hair with a treatment is very, very simple. These are the steps that I take and it has helped my hair tremendously. So literally step 1, go in with a deep conditioner. Step 2, put your hair in a little bun. And I like to go in with a shower cap, put it on top. And then I also go in with my hot head. If you do not know what a hot head is, girl or guy, you need to go invest in one of these. These things are so amazing for like keeping your head hot. You can flip it inside out. They have a whole bunch of different thingies. Okay, anyways. So you put this on top of the shower hat and that just allows more heat to swell your hair shaft. Now the reason that you want heat on your head when you're doing a treatment is because it allows your hair shaft to open. So think of this as your hair shaft. When heat is applied, it opens, allowing the nutrients to flow in. Okay, so now let's talk about the products that I use, why I use them, my favorite products. Okay, these are my 4 favorite treatments and I'm gonna explain why. Okay, so the first one is an Olaplex hair perfector. If you have not heard of Olaplex, where have you been? So Olaplex is known for giving your hair protein and also moisture. So Olaplex, I have noticed when I put the Olaplex on, my hair literally feels stronger. It doesn't feel as moisturized as my other masks do, but this one is great for like reviving. Okay, so protein-based deep conditioners make your hair more defined, where Moisturizing ones kind of just hydrate your hair and get rid of like your dead ends and make the dry appearance go away. Now, if you're at the store and you have no idea what to do or how to find it, anything that says repairs or strengthens usually is protein based, where anything that says hydrates is usually giving you moisture. Okay. So another protein based one is the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner. I don't like the smell of this one, so I really don't use it that much, but yeah, I really don't like the smell. The smell stays on your hair for a long time, but it does do a good job at restoring your hair with protein. I just can't get over the smell. Okay, another one is Manuka honey and Mafura oil. Now, this is by far the best deep conditioner for hydration. Like, oh my gosh, literally with one, you can go to like Ulta, whatever, you can get the sample. Literally with one sample, you'll see such a huge difference. But yeah, this one is my ultimate favorite for hydrating my hair. Like literally, as soon as I get out the shower, like I can just feel my curls. They feel like so much healthier. It's just a miracle. And the smell is like it's really good. Okay, and now finally, my ultimate favorite mask is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt. As you can tell, I'm almost done. This is like my third bottle. I'm so happy that I came across this product. So this one is also to strengthen your hair, but it also hydrates it. So if you had to do one product to test out for deep conditioning, go with this one. You will not regret it. No matter what hair type you have, go with this one. It's like the best. So the reason that I like this one is because I see my curls more defined as well as hydrated. So a way to know if your curls, like what your curls need, you're sitting there. Now you may be thinking, what product should I get? Does my hair need moisture or does my hair need protein? Now, a good way to figure this out is your hair looking dry? And by dry, I mean like dead, like dull, like just dry. Like when you touch your hair, like it's just dry. Where if you need protein, you'll feel your hair when you come out the shower, it's very hard and it kind of feels like straw. And you notice that your curls are not as defined as they can be, or your hair just looks like neat, then you know that you need protein. But again, one that I would recommend is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Yogurt. This literally does both, so. Okay, and that is Deep Condition 101 with Chelsea. I'll leave all the products that I use down below so you guys can go check them out. Be sure to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any videos that I upload. And I hope you guys all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching.